Hi, Year 7. Today's lesson is about receiving and following instructions. So before we start, I'm going to ask you to pause the video, look at the keywords, look at the objectives, and complete the little game on World Wall. You can find the link and click on it. It's on ClassChart. Pause the video now, do it, take a picture, upload it back. Thank you. I hope you did well on the game. So I need you to draw the grid exactly as it is on a piece of paper or print it out if you want to. I'm going to be giving instructions in a minute, and it's important that you work with that grid. Pause the video, copy it before you carry on. So asking and giving direction, and we're going to be using an example. So here we've got a text, direction to the cinema. As you can see, we've got 4 different instructions, which are get off the bus and turn right, walk down Carter Road, turn left into Green Lane, and the cinema is next to the bank. Then the person I'm meeting is telling me that they will meet me by the ticket office. They're asking me to bring sweets whilst they will bring popcorn. So let's have a look at the question. I will pause between the question and the answer so that it gives you time to find the question and check if you are right or wrong. So question 1. Karin should turn when she gets off the bus. She should turn left. True or false? It's false because sentence 1 tells me get off the bus and turn right. Then, where will you meet Karin? By the bank, by the bus stop, or by the ticket office? At the end of the text, it tells me to meet by the ticket office. Now, here is a trick question because you will have on your mind that I traveled by bus, which means that you could be tempted to click bus stop, and it tells me that the cinema is by the bank, so you could also be tempting there. So you need to make sure you read things very carefully. Next question. Write your answer on the line below. So what is next to the cinema? Sentence 4 tells me that it is the bank. And what should Karin bring with her, sorry? She should bring some sweets. Now, here is another trick question because we mentioned bringing sweets and popcorn. So the question is knowing who will bring what. Okay, so now is your time to practice on your own. We've got 2 texts here. One is how to find the steam railway company. So as you can see, we've got instructions and then how to get to Brixton Sea Centre by road, by train, or by bus. I need you to read the text a couple of times and then pause the video and click on the link that you can find back onto ClassChart. Remember, you don't need to take pictures of those, you just need to submit them, and I will mark them and give you the results. Now, in reality, when we give or receive instructions regarding directions, it's usually because we need to read a map. So this is a map of Birmingham, somewhere in Birmingham, and I've circled some places. So in red, we've got the Magistrates Court. In purple, we've got a railway station. In yellow, we've got Queen's Garden or a leisure centre. And it could even be a shopping centre. In black, I've got the tennis court. In blue, I've got a recreation ground. And in green, I've got the civic centre. So Now we need to actually think. So if a visitor came to Bromley and wanted to go somewhere specific, how would we direct them? So we need to imagine that the visitor wants to go from the magistrate court to the civic center. So we need to go from the red to the green. How would you send them? And how would you explain the direction to them? So the easiest bit is to write bullet points or numbers, okay? So I'm going to start by going down the high street. Up or down, I've decided to go down. Then I'm going to go and turn onto Market Square. So follow the map with your finger and you'll see where we are. Then I will walk along Widmore Road. See where we are here? And then I will turn right onto Kentish Way. So that's a big yellow road. And then I will turn left onto Stockwell Street. And as you can see, when I'm on Stockwell Street, I'm by the civic center. So your task now is to write the direction from the tennis court, which is the black circle, to the recreation ground, which is the blue. And the second task is to go from the station, purple, to the shopping center, which is yellow. Guys, there's not just one answer. However, remember that if we are walking, maybe we'd like to have the shortest way. So I need you to complete both of these tasks on a piece of paper, take a picture, and upload your work. Now, year 7, please remember, I do not want some work. I want all the work. Okay? Have a good week. Speak to you later. Bye.